Hello, fourth grade. What's actually funny, you're not aware of this, but this is actually my second take on this video because I did a video before. I actually looked back at it and realized I made an error. So I'm hoping maybe Mrs. Colton shares that video with you and has you try to find my mistake. This one will not have an error though, so it should be all good. So hope all's well and enjoy as we talk about number lines. So the number line you have in front of you is a closed number line. Because you have 2 points, the starting point and ending point. An open number line would be where you have either a starting number and or an ending number, and then you don't know the other number and you have to adjust accordingly. So for this one, how we'd start is we'd find that anchor. And I like to find the anchor as being the middle number. So I'd say, well, if I'm at a dead of 6 and I'm going to 4, I know that's a total of 10 units. So half of that would be 5. So if I moved over 5 units from 4, I put that in the middle, I know that's at a dead of 1. So 5 units from a dead of 6 to a dead of 1, that's 5. And I also know from here to here is also 5. I know my line's off a little bit to the right, I apologize. So from there, oh wait a second, I just found one of the numbers I'm supposed to look for. Now, if it's 5 units away, I know there's 0, not 0, there's dead of 2, dead of 3, dead of 4, dead of 5. So there's my dead of 4. Then I come over here and I think about, well, 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2. So I've found all my numbers. Let's go down to the bottom one. So wait a second, we go from a dead of 2 to 7. That's a total of 9 units apart. The trouble is, being 9 units apart, half of that's 4.5. So that doesn't really help me. But what if I did this? What if I thought about it this way? I know that 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. So I could break this up into groups of 3, or 3 equal parts. So then I would have, well, a dead of 2, a dead of 1, 0, 1, 4, 7. Well, 1 was the only number we had to find, so after that doesn't help me. But I could come back and say, well, if that's 1, this must be 0. So then I found my 0. If this is 4, 2, 3, this must be 3, and then 4, 5. So then I found all my numbers. I hope that this helps you. Again, as you play around number lines, please be willing to do more than just the work, on your learning opportunity if it's something if it's a skill you're still developing. Because as you do play around and you make sense of it, it carries over into higher order thinking within your math reasoning. And again, come to Mrs. Colton, come to myself, or even one better. Go and ask one of your friends and ask them to explain to you, how they're thinking and their thought process, because it just is well to learn from them just as easy to learn from them as well. Enjoy, and we'll talk to you soon.